Cashanista friends, it's Casharee and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Casharee and here on my channel you will find all things related to hair, nails, fashion, lifestyle, and things of that nature. So if that sounds like things that you're interested in, be sure you click that subscribe button down below and join the Cashanista fam, okay? So on today's video, I am going to be showing you how I achieved these butterfly locks right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so the hair that I am using for this style is the Freetress Water Wave 22 inches in the color 1B. I did get like one color that had some brown in it, but I only used one. So yeah, so it's all the color 1B. And I first started by braiding up my entire head and all the plaits. So I separated and made all of these braids first. And then I went back and put the hair in. So let me just show you what I did. The hair comes easily separated in little pieces like this. And I'm using 1.5 pieces for each lock. So let me just go ahead and separate it. And you want to fluff out the hair so that it's not in this uniform curl. Okay, now that that's fluffed out, now of course the look that I'm going for is the little butterfly look. So it's like this whole super messy, carefree type of feel. I'm just gonna take my crochet needle, stick it through the braid, take the hair, and I kind of twist it where I'm gonna attach it to the crochet needle just to make it easier to hook on. And pull that on through. Then I'm just gonna pull one side all the way through. Like so. Now I'm just gonna make this side that's with my real hair, I'm just gonna pull it so that it's the length that I want the lock to be. So I'll stop like right there. And now I'm just going to fluff out the hair a little bit more before I start to wrap, because this hair has the tendency to go back to its natural curl shape, the uniform curl, which we don't want. So you just want to fluff it out. And now I'm just going to wrap it around the base a few times. I think I usually wrap between 3 to 5 times, but you just wrap until you feel like it's secure enough for you. Then I'm just going to start wrapping down. I'm still wrapping kind of tight at first. And then once I get about there, I fluff it out again. And then I just kind of throw the hair around. I'm not doing the thumb method. I'm kind of just wrapping the hair very loosely. And then I'm pinching it and pulling it a little tight while pinching it. And then again, just wrapping it super loose and then pinching it to pull it a little tighter to create that butterfly effect. I like this method better than the thumb method just because it was just easier for me. I'm just going to keep doing this all the way down. Then once I get to the end where I'm kind of running low on my wrapping hair, I just take some from the side that I was holding and put it to the wrapping hand and continue to wrap down. Okay, once I get to the length that I want the lock to be, and I have this hair left over, I'm just gonna fold that upwards, hold it, and continue to wrap. But I'm making sure that I'm still wrapping in the same direction that I was wrapping in before. And I palm roll it to kind of seal it. And that's pretty much it. I have not been adding any nail glue or anything like that because my real hair is in the whole locks, so I'm doing them short. And of course I don't want to put nail glue on my real hair. So, and this hair does pretty good staying once you wrap it on itself just because it's curly. So that is my lock. Now a downfall for me is because my hair is colored, of course, as you can see, and I'm wrapping so carefreely, some of my blonde is peeking through, but it's no big deal to me, so I'm not stressing it. I'm not about to go back over it. It is what it is. Since I decided to go dark this time, some of the blonde is peeking through some of these. But yeah, that's just the method that I am using. I'm finally down to my last two. So I'm just going to do the same exact thing again. And this is it, y'all. I'm just gonna go back and touch up my edges a bit and see if I need to try to camouflage any more of these pickaways like that one there. But this is the texture